How to fix Instagram filters not supported on your device on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First go to Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just update your Instagram, and if there is any update for Instagram and you can't find it here, now just click uninstall and install it again, and that's it. After that, restart your phone and go to settings, click battery, and now make sure power saving mode is disabled, and then go back and close all the applications in the background, and then turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again and go back, try again. I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.